Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you YouTube some tricks. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, okay guys, so first trick is, you can see over CCTV, you can just translate what this video is saying. Everybody knows this, but so many people doesn't know this. You can see this three dots over here. You can open in translator. And every minute the video will say something, it will just translate over here.
Oh, there were great grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic scary
You can
birds.
see over here the translate. I paused the video.
Little
I don't
brown
want the copyright
scuttly
strike on this
dragons that
video.
hunted down the mice and...
So this second trick is really very simple. If you want to see the likes, you can see this line over here. You can just put your cursor over here and you can see the dislikes and the likes in the video. Alright, third trick is, you can see over here YouTube and you can put hash and new and hit enter. If in future it will come some new update, like it was a YouTube desktop, now you can just search directly on www.youtube hash new. If it will be new update in future, so you will see over here is nothing now, so you are not seeing it. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this video. If you enjoy, make sure to like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.